Welcome to another episode of Explore with the Sherrys. This week we're in Albufeira, Portugal, so come and join us on our adventure and see what we get up to.
Hello, welcome back to the KR Hotel in Albufeira, Portugal. We stayed here roughly about 7 years ago and we thought, well, we'll give it another try and just see what it's like. Let's show you around the room. This is one of their rooms, which has the double bed, as you can see there. There's no self-catering in this hotel, it's just purely a bedroom basis. You can have your breakfast downstairs in the restaurant. Plenty of size in the bed there. It's obviously like a double or a king size of some sort. I wouldn't say it's the most comfortablest beds, but you're not buying it. It's just somewhere to stay for the 7 nights. We're at the front of the hotel. I think we're on the top floor, and our view out is the road. It's situated on a main road, and over the last 7 years we've noticed that it's got even more busier. There's a lot of traffic, so if you can put up with that, it's still okay. Got your TV there. It's got no British channels as such except for Sky News. There's no BBCs or anything like that. It's just all the American film channels, but you're not staying in. It's a lovely hot day here. It's November and temperatures have been around the 23, 25. You've got a fridge in your room just to keep your drinks nice and cool. Ample size. Let's take you over to the bathroom. Standard bathroom, shower unit, plenty of hot water, plenty of space. Towels are changed on a regular basis. As I say, we're on the top floor. We've got a little window that looks out onto the back of the hotel and overlooks 40 de Vale, for those people who are familiar with the area. Nice big sink. These rooms come in various colour schemes. Obviously we've got this colour scheme, but looking on the internet you can see all the various colour schemes. You can't choose your room, it's just what you're given. We were lucky this time that we had a front room to the front of the hotel, but as I say, it's noisy. For us, we think it's noisy. There's traffic coming and going all hours of the day, 2, 3 in the morning, still lots of traffic. As I say, things have happened over the last 7 years and it just seems to have got busier. air conditioning in the room. We didn't think we'd need that in November, but it's been very, very warm. As I say, highs at 23, 25, so the air conditioning has come in very helpful. The hotel is what it is. You know, we didn't pay a great deal. I think we paid £152 each. That was with breakfast for 7 nights. And that also included our flights. So for just £304 for the two of us, we've had, you know, a fantastic cheap little holiday in the sun. Plenty of storage space for your clothes. You've got your safe. Obviously you do pay extra for that as normal. Loads of drawer space. And it is nice, you know. We can see the sea from here. This is just a typical day. As I say, we came on the Monday, the 7th of November, and we haven't had a bad day. It's just been warm all the time. So if you want a cheap, friendly hotel, this is the one. Downstairs. As I said, downstairs in the breakfast hall room, they're so friendly. They can't do enough for you. There's coffee there. It seems now, it used to be a buffet thing that you'd help yourself, but I think since COVID, they take your order, what you want, eggs, bacon. They'll go and cook it fresh. You're given rolls, croissants, jams, butters, coffee to go out while they're doing your breakfast, orange juice. As was all included our breakfast, for the £152 that we paid, that was all inclusive. And we can't fault it really, you know, it is what it is. It's fantastic. So if you want to give the KR Hotel a go, we booked it through Love Holidays. That seemed to be the cheapest that we found. It ranged from 152 to 174 with breakfast, so we found that we had a good deal. This is the lobby area. Anyway, that's the KR Hotel. I hope you've enjoyed the video. There's going to be plenty more to have a look at. There's a Malta one coming up fairly soon. Check out our other films that we've got on there, videos, see where we've been. Check out the previous KR Hotel. But give it a go. You can't go wrong.